If you want to make your CapCut video look more polished and clickable, adding a custom cover is one of the easiest things you can do. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a cover to a video in CapCut on PC step by step, so you can choose the best frame or upload your own image for a cleaner, more professional thumbnail style look. This is especially useful if you want your video to stand out before people even hit play. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Desktop on your PC and load the project you want to work on. If you haven't already, import your video into the project and drag it down onto the timeline. This is the part where your video becomes ready for editing, and it's important to make sure the clip is placed correctly so CapCut can generate the cover from the right footage. Once your video is on the timeline, look toward the beginning of the timeline for the cover icon. In many versions of CapCut, this is shown with a small pencil-style icon or a cover option near the start of the clip. Click that cover button to open the cover editing window. This is the tool that allows you to set the exact image viewers will see as the cover for your video. Now you have two main options. The first option is to use a frame from your video. To do that, drag the playhead inside the pop-up window until you find the exact moment you want. You can move it forward or backward until you find a clean, clear frame that represents your video well. A good cover image usually has a clear subject, good lighting, and something interesting enough to make people want to click. If you prefer, you can also use a custom image instead of a frame from the video. To do that, click Replace and upload an image from your PC. This is a great option if you already designed a thumbnail or cover image separately and want to use that for a more branded look. You can make it match your channel style, add text, or use a more eye-catching design. After you've selected the frame or uploaded your image, take a moment to make sure it looks right. Check that it's centered properly and that the image is clear and visually strong. Once you're happy with it, click Save to confirm the cover. CapCut will apply that image as the video cover, and now your project has a much better presentation. That's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can add a cover to a video in CapCut on PC and make your content look much more polished. Whether you're using a frame from the video or your own custom image, this small edit can make a big difference in how your video appears. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.